Hello and welcome to the Pendulum Instruments YouTube channel. It is hard to imagine performing precise and accurate time and frequency-related measurements in a modern metrology or R&D lab without a signal from a reference clock. This signal is used by test and measurement equipment to achieve better accuracy or to synchronize operations. In this video, we would like to introduce our new instrument, the GNSS Disciplined Frequency and Time Reference FTR-210R, which serves exactly the purpose of such a reference clock. The core element of this instrument is its built-in rubidium oscillator, which is continuously disciplined from the atomic clocks of global navigation satellite systems, GPS, Galileo, Beidou, and others. If a stationary antenna can be used to receive a stable GNSS signal, the instrument continuously compensates for the rubidium oscillator's small natural drift over time. The FTR-210R provides multiple outputs with the most typical frequencies on the front and back panels. The standard configuration includes 5 10 MHz outputs, one 5 MHz output, and a single 1 PPS output. Depending on the customer's needs, the instrument can be equipped with 4 extra outputs, which provide signals according to one of the available configurations. Additionally, the FTR-210R carries a programmable pulse output, providing frequencies up to 100 MHz. Traceability can be defined as the ability of a time and frequency reference to provide offset and uncertainty for generated frequency and time, relative to national or international standards. With the traceability option activated, FTR-210R continuously monitors phase offset between its own 1 PPS output and the time pulses of the built-in GNSS receiver. This process is independent from oscillator disciplining and makes it possible to relate the time and frequency of the FTR-210R to UTC time standards, providing information about offset and uncertainty. The hourly and daily traceability data recorded by the instrument can be used to generate reports for several years. As a result, the instrument does not need to be sent away for regular recalibrations. Depending on the customer's needs, the FTR-210R can be equipped with a 400 MHz measurement input, which allows using the same instrument as an ultra-high-performance frequency calibrator. To know more about FTR-210R and our other instruments, visit our website